Yo, what's up, guys? It's 4:45 in the morning, and couldn't really sleep last night, so let's go watch the sunrise and talk about what's on my mind. So I'm gonna take a shower real quick. This is proof. It's 4:46 in the morning right now. It's hella dark outside. I just took a shower, and it's 5 o'clock right now. But let's go watch the sunrise real quick. But first, we need an energy drink, because why not? So let's see what we got in here. We got sour watermelon sussed out. Cheers, guys. All right, let's go watch the sunrise and talk about some stuff. So it's 5:40 right now. So we missed the sunrise, but I got the red rocks behind me, and I'm probably gonna go for a hike after this. But there was two main things that I wanted to talk about that were on my mind. And the first one was being why I started to want to make money online, right? So at this time last year, I want to give you guys a story to just put it in perspective, right? At this time last year, I was in a relationship, and we're in like a 3-year relationship with this girl, and she was great and everything. I hope she's doing well. But it kind of ended abruptly, right? It ended how every other relationship ends, where it gets dry. But this one felt, I don't know, it felt different, right? It was my first relationship. But at the end, she just told me, sorry, it's just not gonna work out. And it's not you, it's me, and you're a nice guy, and all this stuff. And ever since then, I've kind of been thinking about the real reasons, right? And there's a few reasons that I've been trying to work on, but the main reason that I kind of ended up like picking up was that while we were in the relationship, I kind of had no money, and it kind of plays a big part into obviously wanting to go on dates and stuff. And I would always ask to split the bill and ask, yo, can you cover me? And it gets to a point where, as a guy, you don't want to be doing that. You don't want to be, yo, can I split the bill? Yo, can I do this? So that's one of the main reasons, because I had $73 to my name, and I asked to split the bill, right? So since then, I've been thinking, it's been a year now, which is kind of crazy. But that's kind of the real reason that I decided I need to get my life together, right? I need to provide enough so I don't have to ask someone, yo, can you cover me? So that's kind of one of the big reasons I couldn't sleep last night. I was just thinking about all the reasons that it could have been different, but the main thing is you gotta change for the better, of course, right? So being in that relationship made me realize I can't be relying on other people for their money and stuff like that. So, and then the second reason I could not sleep was because I'm betting a lot of money on myself right now. So in the last 8 months of doing TikTok Shop and Amazon and stuff, I've done 300K in revenue. And this isn't a flex or anything, this is just context on where I'm at in my life, right? And 122,000 of that was in November of last year. And that's a really, really high to have and to be chasing after. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm chasing that win, chasing that high, whatever you want to call it. And it's nerve-wracking, right? I just spent $60,000 this month on inventory for November to chase this high, and I don't know if it's gonna work out, and it's kind of really stressful, right? you just see 60K go from your bank account like that, and it's not something to laugh about. And I'm gonna be like, really, like, dude, my heart is just pounding. Like, if this doesn't work, I'm actually screwed. And it's kind of a big deal, right? I'm chasing the super high that I had last year, and I haven't had anything like notable since then. Like last month I had my 40K month, but like that's a third of what I did, and that's 1,000 units I sold, and I need to sell 6,000 units, and it's just really stressful, right? I spend 60K to chase this high that I had. It's like gambling. Business is gambling. There's always ups and there's always downs, and in these down moments you need to chase these highs. And that's another reason that I really couldn't sleep last night. So yeah, this is a freaking amazing view. There's unfortunately no sunrise, so there's a lot of clouds and stuff, but man, look at where I am. Look at those red rocks, man. It's a pretty awesome place. I'm gonna go on this trail in a bit, but yeah, I want to put up proof here just so you guys know I'm not capping about. Last month I did 40K in revenue at a 40% profit margin. I did 24 on TikTok. I'll put a screenshot right here. And then I did 12 on Amazon, and then I did 4K another place, right? So in total, all my businesses did 40K in revenue. I'm about halfway through this hike right now. It's freaking nice, man. Sun isn't up yet, but we got some rocks and stuff, and then we got the red rocks right here behind me. But there was kind of, I'm gonna keep doing this hike, by the way. There's kind of another thing that I wanted to talk about. The thing where only you can change your life, right? Like, you need to clash on to this why you're doing things. Why am I making money? Why? Who do I want to provide for? Everyone's why is different. Obviously, my why was I never want anyone to ever cover for me again. And then that got me to where I'm at right now, but it'll probably change in the near future, right? My why always says to keep excluding or like going above what I'm doing. So I need to be able to change my why to go to the next to go to that next level, right? And you always need to be changing this why, because if not, you'll be stuck in this loop where you're not doing anything, and because you'd always be doing things for other people instead of yourself. Say you want to retire your mom, say you want to retire your dad. I mean, you're not going to be able to do that with no money. So there's always going to be this why you need to improve, why you need to change your life. And if you truly believe that you can change your life, because it only takes about 3 months after you make a decision to change your life. There's so many things that you can do online. There's so many different ways to make money online. And ultimately, if you wanted it hard enough, if you wanted it enough, you would do it, right? And there's no one coming to save you. And as cringy as it sounds, it's true. You have to look out for your best interests. And you gotta realize that no one's gonna help you. And you could just be stuck in this hard place, and you could decide, I'm gonna get after it today. or you could decide I'm gonna lay in bed and be sorry for myself. But there comes to a point where you need to change. It comes to a point where you realize this is not the life I want to live anymore. And being in that relationship made me realize I can't rely on anyone else, and I want to do it for me. That was kind of why I don't want to be reliant on anybody else for their money, for what they provide for me, because I realized you can't trust other people. That was kind of what I thought. You can't really trust other people to provide for you, because I don't know, at the end of the day, nothing changes if nothing changes. Man, this Red Rock is absolutely beautiful. And we got the trees and stuff down there. We got a little city over there. And we got the sunrise, but it's being clouded right now. And there's the rest of my hike, about halfway there. Also, I wanted to mention, it is 90 degrees at 6 in the morning right now. Absolutely nuts, absolutely nuts. But there was one more thing I wanted to talk about before this video ends. I want to talk about this quote I heard. It was a Nike commercial, I believe. It was LeBron James saying, it goes like, the curse of being a winner is you're not a winner until you win again. And I'm kind of resonating with that right now, because I'm really chasing that high that I had last November. I'm not afraid to admit it. I'm really chasing that. And if it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. But I'm in that curse right now where I kind of had a decent win, like 40K last month. A lot of people would consider that a pretty good win. But in my mind, I kind of hold myself to such a high standard where I need to reach that 120K again. And it's the curse of you're not a winner until you win again. And that's kind of what I wanted to end this video with. After you start winning, it's gonna get a lot harder, and there's a lot more things that you have to do. Like, I would say since that November that I had, I've improved threefold in my business, in my relationships, and I would say I've been improving, but the numbers don't reflect. And I am chasing that high, that gambling high of I need to reach that 6-figure month again. And yeah, I'm stressed, but that's what business is. So I'm gonna finish up this hike. It's hot out here, but I hope you guys like this video, and hope you guys can possibly relate. Make sure to find your why you're doing this, and go out and do something hard today. I'm gonna finish up this hike, so I'll see you guys. What an awesome view, man. This is cool.